In this video, I like to give you an overview of setting up a measurement. We'll use the frequency span function, the amplitude function, and the bandwidth function. So let's get started. So here in this case, I'm going to go to a span of 10 megahertz, and I want to look at the upper half of the FM band. So center frequency 103 megahertz. And now I've got the frequency that I want. Now let's go to the amplitude menu and let's turn off the attenuator. And now let's start looking at that reference level. Looks like about minus 60 should be safe. And maybe the scale per division can be more like, let's say 5 dB. Let's make it 6 dB. And since it's FM modulated, it's jumping around a lot. So let's just go to trace and put it on trace average. Now we can see the signal a little bit better. Let's go back to amplitude now and optimize the amplitude settings a little bit more. Minus 70. And let's do scale per division back to 5 dB. Okay, this gives us a little bit better view of the spectrum. You can see now we have bandwidth in auto mode, that's default, and it picked the optimal resolution bandwidth for the span that we're looking at. And the resolution bandwidth, the video bandwidth, is set to 1. So I can go ahead and go into manual mode, and I can in a 1:3 fashion set the resolution bandwidth to whatever I want. Let's take it all the way down to 10 kilohertz so we can see the side bands of the FM radio where the high definition audio is carried. And so now you can see that I'm in a manual setting here with a hashtag in front of the resolution bandwidth, and the video bandwidth is still in auto mode. Now I think we've done it. Amplitude, bandwidth, and frequency span. And now if I want, I can put a peak search in there, find my highest powered FM radio station in the neighborhood, 103.1, and we are off to the races. If we want, we could go marker to center and put that in the middle, and we could change now the span to 1 megahertz and look at this station a little bit better and check out its FM sidebands and see if they're meeting their mask and set up markers. So that's a real quick tutorial on amplitude, bandwidth, and frequency span, and how to make a quick measurement in the FM radio band. Thank you for your time.